Hello, today we are going to discuss some more about bar charts. First of all, we are going to discuss about interpretation of bar charts. While reading a bar chart, we must pay attention to the graph title, to axes, including axis labels, scale, and the bars. Since the bar charts are used to compare frequencies or amount of data in discrete groups, we need to determine which axis is the group data as well as where are the specific groups and which is the frequency axis. The height of the bars are particularly important since they give us the information about the specific values of data. Now come to the next topic, that is general points about bar charts. Bar charts are visual aids for presenting statistical data. Generally, bar charts are made of different colors, shades, dots, dashes, etc. to distinguish between different continuous variables between being represented. Okay. As in the case of tables, each bar diagram also has title to indicate the subject and depicted in the diagram. The title is either placed at the top of the diagram or at its bottom. Besides it, there may be qualifiers in the title of the bar charts, which normally would be more comprehensive view, which give more comprehensive view of the part subject matter. One axis, normally the x-axis of every bar chart, represents a discrete variable, while the other axis, normally the y-axis, represents the scale of one or more continuous variable. Besides it, most bar charts have a brief index accompanied by various type of shades, colors, and lines that have been used in this diagram. This gives a clear understanding of the bar data represented by the bar charts, helps in the interpretation of data. Now we are going to discuss about something about the significance of bar chart. Okay, bar charts are used for plotting discrete, which is discontinuous data which has discrete values and is not continuous. Okay, and if you are trying to record certain information, whether it is continuous or not, then these these bar charts are very much helpful. Presentation of data in this form makes evaluation of parameters comparatively much easier. A bar chart is a visual display used to compare the amounts or frequencies of occurrence of different characteristics of data, and this type of display allows us to compare groups of data and to make generalizations about the data quickly. Compare groups of data and to make generalization about the data quickly. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much.